Good afternoon to you all. My name is Jesse Benjamin Odeke, and I'm a student at Code Academy Uganda, undergoing Python Intermediate. And what I learned from the Python beginner is that you can create various apps using Python and Tkinter. So what I have with me here is the voice recorder that I designed with Tkinter. Now I'm going to run it. Right now, like from here, the class voice recorder. It's like for recording and managing audio files. So like the main use of voice recorders is that our future prospects, like what you are planning ahead. So anyway, I'm gonna run this code and the application is gonna start running. The application has run. So I'm gonna start recording. Right now it's recording what I'm saying, and the various uses of voice recorders is that they help in recording interviews and also taking notes. For example, people use these notes to get ideas on like what they want on their future goals and prospects. Also, another use of a voice recorder, like people in the music industry would like want to like make music using voice recorders so that they can like publish the music to like the entire world. Now I'm going to stop the recording and I save it. The recording has been saved. So now I'm playing the recording. As you can see, the recording is now playing. And what I would want to say is that thank you to all my teachers, the facilitators, and I also encourage parents to like bring their children for this solid activity so that they can pick up the same skill that they acquired. Thank you very much.